Hello everybody, I am back. I didn't upload a football video yesterday because I wanted to do this challenge. The worst part about this challenge, we might lose our 5-game winning streak when we do the Hail Mary and kick field goal block challenge. Could I win a game with that? The worst part's against the Packers. Wow. And yeah, so could we win it? On extra points, we could do whatever we want. So there's no rules for extra points. We could just do field goals, double conversions. So let's get straight into this. So I guess I'm just gonna do the whole game of the challenge. So let's go. Ooh, they got the ball first too. That's the worst part. Because field goal blocks, there's no one outside for defense. Like that kind of stuff. Like, that's the worst part. So the only thing I can hope for is 2-point conversions and that kind of stuff. So field goal block. Move this guy back out here. No, they're running. Yes. Okay, that was a good stop. Remember, I bet they're gonna pass next. Oh, they're passing next. Okay, gotta be ready. Who are they gonna pass to? Oh, that's touchdown. Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, that's touchdown. Dang it. You see, with the pass, they can just win the whole game. For their extra points, we still have to do field goal block. But for our extra points, we can do whatever we want. Oh, dang it. Man, I don't. If they make those extra points, I'm dead. Because, yeah. I'm not that good at accuracy myself. I'm not that good at accuracy on field goals. I miss more field goals than 2-point conversions. Because I like 2-point conversions more, so all I can hope for is a kick return because Hail Marys over and over are not good. Swerve. Okay. Oh, I was scared. I'm trying to. Dang it. Hail Mary. Oh, and that first part. Wow. I could scramble. But just being scrambled. Let's do this. Drew Brees, when you want to run, he is not that good, but he's a wide. Oh shoot! There's a guy there. Oh, that's touchdown. That's touchdown. Yep. Oh, we're getting back. They're not gonna win. So let's do this, boys. Let's do this. I'm always gonna go for 2-point conversions. Now we're in the lead by 1. So this is how I'm probably gonna win the game. Defense, definitely not. So the only thing I can hope for is getting touchdowns over and over with 2-point conversions over and over. So let's go to the next quarter. And kick off left. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, pretty bad kick. Really good defense. No, that was not good defense. Wait, no. I'm cheating. I had to leave someone open. I can't. That's cheating. No, because of that, I have to go. back. I'm just gonna make myself go back like 20 yards because of that. Dang it. Oh, so I gotta get some. And then a touchdown. Look how weird this guy looks running. My guy on the Saints, wow. You see, there's no hope in defense because, look, I'm gonna lose if they go for 2-point conversions. Because my 2-point conversions are always gonna be hit. And their field goals are probably always gonna be hit. But my 2-point conversions aren't always gonna be hit, so all I can hope for is just offense, really. Defense, just like there's not gonna be a single third down, I bet, at all in this whole game, unless they run 2 times in a row. Because on running, we can stop them easy, but on passing, this team's dead. Oh no! I gotta go forward. I gotta go forward. Past the 20-yard. Oh, it's gonna. Please don't be a safety. Please. Okay, not a safety. Why do I keep getting so close to this spot? I'm so stupid for this. Oh. I keep saying. Oh no, don't step too far back. Wow, that's dangerous. Oh, that's touchdown. That is touchdown. Dude, I don't know why, but the Packers suck on defense. It's weird. And now it's a tie game. Our offense is pretty good. Packers offense is, well, I can't really say anything about their offense because no matter what, they're probably just gonna score a touchdown. No! That just left on the spot. No, it's a tie game now. Dang it. That just. Okay, so there's really nothing I can do now. Oh wow. Oh, we just gotta stop. Second down. If there's a third down, my prediction was completely wrong. Okay. Field goal block. This guy back here. Get out here. Oh, they're passing. Okay, there we go. I finally got to stop on passing. So if we just keep doing this, him back here, we could probably get stops. Yeah, 6 seconds left. Ooh, I almost the wrong play. But I lost 40 yards. Oh, second down. Bro, we got this. And I'm not calling a timeout. Oh, 40 yards. Oh no, it's 20 yards because of that. Oh my gosh, 20 yards. And the interception shouldn't even count. Oh, wow, and I'm gonna have to give them the ball back. No, I'm just gonna run back 40 yards and then I'll have to give them the ball. Wow. Oh, wow. I shouldn't have tried to get the interception. I really should have tried to get the interception. Wow. I'm just gonna give them a safety. Or not, unless I get up. Well, that's disappointing. I'm just gonna go forward. I have to get to at least the 40-yard line. Okay, so. Oh, and I can only do Hail Mary. least the 30-yard line. It's about the 44. I'm gonna have to go to the 4-yard line. Dang. Oh, and the helmet. Like I said, I can score a ball from the back 40 yards. 20, 30, 40. Let's run out of bounds, and it's their ball. That's the worst part, guys. Oh, dang it. Oh, wow. Wow. This was just terrible. Wow, you see how far that is? Wow. Screw their ball too. Oh my gosh. Guys. I'm too used to that. It's my favorite play. I'm surprised I haven't got a single sack this game. 4th down. And I'm not gonna punt. Dang it, there's no punting in this challenge. Wow. I just can't believe it. Oh no, they might get me earlier than this. Okay, no, they didn't. Oh wow, this promise to be game over. I know when it was. Oh, the running! Oh, man, that was a bullet to the head. Did you? Oh, I'm not gonna make another mistake. Okay. Gotta get another shot. Dang it! I can't even get interceptions. Ooh. This is gonna be a close game. And the worst part, it's part of the season, so. They make every single field goal. I hate it. Guys, this is I don't know if I should go for the 2 or should I go for overtime. But if I go for overtime and they earn the ball, it's game over. I'm gonna go for the 2 when I score a touchdown. So guys, wow. This game could turn all around for my 5-game winning streak, guys. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh. Hail Mary is one of my favorite plays, but it's just a bad one when you go up against a good defense. And wow, this for the lead. I can scramble. Remember that, guys. For the lead. For the lead. Yes! Yes! I'm in the lead, guys. I'm in the lead. Okay, I can. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I got to get this ball back. Ooh, I'm just gonna go like this. Even if they're far away, I just score a touchdown. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I got it. It's so hard to do those. Okay, this is gonna be a good game. Oh, they're running it. They're running it. They're running it, yep. Oh, I know. Ooh, Tank just hit him. 2nd down. 43 seconds left. Okay. No! I chose the wrong play! I lost 10 yards. No. Guys. What? Dang it. I lost 10 yards with hardly any time left. Oh my. What is he doing? Oh my God. And I did it again. Oh my gosh. I have to go back 20 yards with basically 20 seconds left. Oh my gosh. And I got the touchdown. 18 seconds to get a play. 18 seconds to get this play. Oh wow. And I'm going for the 2. Oh my god. Oh no! If I go for a 2-point conversion, I win the game. If I go for a 3-point, it's tied. If I miss a 2-point conversion, the game's over. Plus, I had to make a touchdown within 18 seconds. So, wow, guys. This is a crazy challenge. Wow. This might be my first loss. Kickoff. Wow. Oh, wow. Gotta get somewhere far. Oh, pretty far. Call timeout. Timeout. Okay. There we go. Timeout. Hail Mary. Okay. This is gonna be a pretty good ending, guys. Come on, get it! Yes! Call timeout! 7 seconds left. Oh wow, guys. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. If he would have made that catch, it would have been game over. I gotta get touchdown for the win. Guys. For the win. Okay, 2-point conversion for the win. Oh wow. Oh, this is scary. No! Dang it! That's the end! Oh my gosh! No! The interception could change it all. But the QB sneak is gonna end off the game. Or not. Come on, final timeout. Oh my gosh. Another QB sneak. That's game. Oh wow. My end of my 5-game winning streak. Oh wow. Such an incredible game. Packers and my streak. That was such a good. I could have sent it to overtime. Why am I so? But overtime is terrible because it's either if they get the ball, they win. If they don't get the ball, it's a question. But if I go for 2-point conversion, it's either game over or game done. Or game win. Wow. Oh, it's such an incredible game. I gotta see the stats on that. Oh, wow. I lost on rushing because I couldn't even... I wasn't even able to do rushing. Passing, I was only allowed to do the same with that. They hardly had any rushing. Turnovers, one, but that didn't count. Kick return, obviously, though, because, well, my kick returns were terrible. Same amount of touchdowns, but, oh, fuck, fuck. Guys, but if when we get 8 wins, we're going to the playoffs. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Such a hard challenge. See you guys next time, man. Peace out.